Hello friends, in this lecture we will see cavity mill and in cavity mill how to use predrill. So here in this model I have already created one predrill in some workpiece. So let's see how to create the toolpath for this. So first of all I am going to show you the workpiece. See, this is the part and my workpiece is a bounding block. So this is the bounding block and it is 20 millimeter offset from the top. Okay, so first I'm going to use this workpiece. So click here and my operation is this cavity mill, and in cavity mill my working tool is mill, and here it is workpiece and method is this row. Okay, and here I'm not going to in geometry. Okay, it is 75%. I'm going to change it 50 and the depth of cut is 4. Okay, and let's say 6. Okay, no problem. And from the geometry, one is the off stock, side stock, and I'm not going to select anything. Tool is already defined. Cut level will automatically generate. Okay, see, according to the faces it is generated. And under this strategy, I'm not making any change here, and now just generate and let's see the preview. See here, if I'm using follow party strategy, okay, so it is working like this, and I'm going to see here I don't have any inward outward option. So go to main and change this pattern to follow periphery. Again come to strategy. Here we have this trim option. Follow periphery. Under this cutting, see here we have this label, and if I'm going to change this part, so this that will suppress, it will not come, and the pattern direction will come. Okay, and in this containment by default it is none, so it will select the object blank which we have defined in workpiece, and see it is generating from inward to outward like this. Okay, if I have a pre-drill and now I am going to use, so select this one and geometry mill, and this time our workpiece is mill 1. Okay, and I'm going to change this to follow periphery, and 6 is offset, and under this cutting my order is this outward generate, and let's see the preview. This spot pacing is not visible here, and go to this one and under program this is the spot drill. Okay, so here my spot pacing is 1, and spot pacing 1 is under program 1, so I'm going to change this to program 1. Then only it will show you the preview of this hole. Generate again, See, the hole is there. Still it is starting from inside to outside. It is not following this hole. So what we have to do, if you have any predrill, so that time we should keep this pattern direction to automatic. So automatically it will consider the predrill and it will generate the tool path and verify. A little bit slower. Still it is starting from the outward. Okay, and from the containment I need to change this in process workpiece to use 3D, so it will consider that IPW of this after this spot pacing now generate. Now let's see. See, the tool is starting from the center if it is in close area. Okay, so this is the, or if you want to make some inward outward, so that time just go to this one, cavity mill, and my workpiece is this too, and this program too. Okay, for spot pacing, change it to Pala periphery. 6 is this step under the cutting, this is outward. Okay, and here it is use 3D. Okay, now it is not working with the pre-drill hole. And if I want to change it to inward, generate. So this is the main difference. Hope you understand this, how to use this pre-drill.